Did you know that one tragic accident can change how we view liability in tort? Stovin versus Wise is the seminal case that clarified this. Hello and welcome to Landmark Case Laws Simplified. Buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of Stovin versus Wise together. Mr. Stovin got hurt in a car accident because drivers couldn't see properly at a junction. An earth bank on nearby land blocked the view. Norfolk County Council had the legal power to remove the bank, but they didn't have to do it, and they didn't. Mr. Stovin sued Mr. Wise, the driver, and also argued the council was negligent for not getting rid of the obstruction. The real question was, can a public authority be held negligent for not doing something, just because it had the power to act, even when it wasn't legally required to help? The House of Lords said the council wasn't liable. They owed Mr. Stovin no duty of care. Here's what the court said: the council could act, but didn't have to. It was a choice, not an obligation. Not using a power is just an omission, pure inaction. The law almost never holds people responsible for failing to act. Courts shouldn't force public authorities to spend resources in a certain way. Lord Hoffman made it clear, courts should be very cautious about turning statutory powers into private legal duties. Since the council didn't create the hazard and didn't take on responsibility for it, there was no duty. Stovin v. Wise, 1996, made this clear. A public authority isn't usually liable in negligence for not using a statutory power, unless there's something exceptional going on. There's no general duty of care for just not acting, even if you have the power to help. Liability only comes up if the defendant created the danger, they took responsibility for the situation, or the law clearly says there's a duty, not just a power, to act. Why does this case matter? It firmly backs the rule against liability for omissions, shields public authorities from endless negligence claims, stops courts from meddling too much in government decisions, shaped later cases like Mitchell v. Glasgow City Council. If you get a problem about a public authority that didn't do something, always think about Stovin v. Wise, 1996. Ask yourself, did they have a duty, or just a power? Did they actually create the risk? Did they take on responsibility for the danger? If you want to learn more about tort law, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.